Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk a very trending product, TheraSpine triple fusion pillow. Okay, so you should buy this product or not, does it really work or not? So basically, without wasting your time, I want to tell you there are so many products available in the market with different names, but the product is same. So you can see there is one more product is smoothie spine, and there is one more product which is available on amazon.uk, and you can see there are lots of similar product is available on amazon.com. okay, so you can also see like the same product is also available on amazon, and there are lots of product. You can see there are hundreds of product available, and each and every product is not getting good reviews. So it means the product is available in the market very easily, but product is not giving results. Okay, so it means this is looking like a drop shipping product. So my suggestion is only this: save your hard-earned money, don't invest your money in this kind of silly product. Okay, so now if you have any experience, you can share your thought in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. And if we talk about, like, if you really want to try, you can go your nearest store and you can check by manually, and you can test, you can take a trial, and then you can make a purchase. Don't try to purchase these kind of focus massagers, triple focus massagers by online. Okay, because when you make a purchase, when you try to get your money back, if you are facing any issue related to product work and all, so return is also very hard. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any experience, you can make a comment, I will reply very soon. So bye bye, take care.